Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry I got late update and I have to give you this late update to you as well. Currently, the Linux Foundation is providing 50% off and any courses, any examination. It means if you are trying to go with CKA, Kubernetes Administrator, CKAD, CKS, anything, all are 50% off. Just you need to use this coupon code, that is OCT Prime 25. The only problem is that this is valid till 7th October and 8th October, and today is 8th October. And you have the complete whole day, and I'm extremely sorry that it got very late in time, but I hope I will definitely going to get this offer. Please, I made this very short video. Please get and check this out. And if you have any query or anything, so please you can comment me on my comment box. If you have anything to discuss, my Instagram is always there for you. You can search me. I will be giving my Instagram link as well. So please go and check this out. So this is for it. So I generally come up with free certification updates, free educational, free Udemy courses updates on this channel. Hope to still subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you have got any value from this video. And please some comments, it would be helpful for me. And if you have not subscribed, I would again say you subscribe to my channel, you will get benefited by my channel. That's it for the day. See you on the next video. Thank you so much.